So, you know, again, when it comes to gardening, I think one of the things, if you love gardening, you love plants, is that you love beautiful things to kind of put with everything and pull everything together. These are beautiful little sets of 3 vases, and you can use them as a vase or a planter or whatever you want to use them for. But one is going to have tulips on it, and it's a beautiful kind of, you know, a botanical type drawing of tulips. And then this one is hyacinths. So they're beautifully done with kind of a whitewash and this gorgeous, gorgeous picture. I love that black and white and that kind of aged feel. It's intentionally aged around the top. And when you look in each of them, it has a little lip kind of down toward the bottom. They do nest, so if you want to store them without taking up too much room, you absolutely can. The tallest one is going to be around 6 inches, a little over 6 inches tall, just to give you an idea. But they're perfect pieces for mixing and matching and planting and grouping and organizing and decorating. So if you're looking for something that's going to be really, really beautiful indoors or out, I think if you have kind of a covered area where you like to have some of your gardening, you could do that too. I think these are absolutely, absolutely adorable.